This video goes over question 8 of the derivatives from the definition assignment. Given f of x equals x squared minus 4x, find f prime of x. Find the slopes of the lines tangent to the graph of f at -2, -1, and 4. Graph f and sketch in the tangent lines at x equals -2, -1, and 4. So the first thing we're going to do is find the derivative. The definition of the derivative is f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f at x plus h minus f of x all over h. So substituting in our function, the limit as h approaches 0, x plus h all squared minus 4 times x plus h minus, grouping symbol to remember to distribute the negative sign, x squared minus 4x all divided by h. So I'm going to go through, distribute out the binomial squared, distribute that, and distribute the negative sign. The limit as h approaches 0, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus x squared plus 4x all over h. We have a simplification opportunity here. X squared minus x squared is 0. -4x plus 4x is 0. So we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared minus 4h all over h. We can cancel some h's, cancel one of those, cancel that one, leaving a -4. So this is the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h minus 4. We can now let h go to 0 without having to worry about division by 0. So f prime of x equals 2x minus 4. So we're going to put that in, 2x minus 4. Check answer, nice work. Slope of the tangent line at x equals -2. It's going to be -2 times 2, -4 minus 4. So -8. Nice work again. -1. So -1 or -2 minus 4 is -6. And then 4 times 2 is 8 minus 4. So that's +4. Nice work. Graph f and sketch in the tangent lines at y equals -2, y equals -1, and y equals 4. So we know the slopes here, here, and here. And we have the x coordinates there. To use the point slope form, we also need the y coordinate. So for part B, and for x equals -2, f at -2 is going to be -2 squared minus 4 times -2, so that's going to be 4 plus 8, which is 12. So that means I have -2, 12. That's my x1, y1, and then my slope is -8. So then for x equals -1, f at -1 is -1 squared minus 4 times -1. It's going to be 1 plus 4, which is 5. So I'll get -1, 5. M equals -6, x1, y1, and then at x equals 4. F at 4 is 4 squared minus 4 times 4. So that is 16 minus 16, which is 0. So that's going to give me 4, 0, x1, y1. And here the m equals 4. So I have each of these things here, I have a point and a slope. So that should be enough to get me the equations of the lines. So I'm going to go put in my graph of the function here. So this is going to be, I want an upward facing parabola, and click the graph, choose a tool in the palette, click to graph the vertex of your parabola. So we didn't really talk about that. So this is going to be x times x minus 4. So we're going to go through the x-axis at 0 and at 4. That means that the vertex will be halfway between 0 and 4. So that's going to be 2. So 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 8, so 4 minus 8. So 2, negative 4. And then it's a regular parabola, so I can go over 1, up 1. And that should do that. Okay, then going back, I want negative 2, 12, and a slope of negative 8. So I'm going to go to negative 2 all the way up to 12. I need the line tool. Negative 2, 12. So I'll put the point there, and I need a slope of negative 8. So I want to go down 8. So that'll be to negative 2, 4. Down 8 and over 1. So I've gone to the right 1, down 8. And that should be a tangent line. And we're going to go negative 1, 5, and a slope of negative 6. So line tool again, negative 1, 5, and then a slope of negative 6. So over 1 and then down 6 should be to negative 1, 0, negative 1. And then the last one, go to 4, 0, slope of positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Oops. Line tool, 4, 0, and a slope of positive 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Save that. Check answer. Good job. And that concludes this video.